Alright guys, so we're going to come over here and grab this big old black walnut here, and we're going to slab that up. Hopefully we won't run into any nails. And then last thing I have to mill is probably some of this other walnut, which is my brother's. Anyway, so we're going to move these cherry logs and get at that black walnut. Actually, you know what? I think I'm not even going to move the cherry right now. I'm just going to grab it with the straps over here, now that I've got this hot wire fence out of the way. And I've got the gate shut so the animals can't get out. I'll just drive right over here and grab it. Folks, here it is, the big black walnut. It's not huge, but it's pretty nice and straight. Doesn't really have any character in it, so it's not going to be the most characterized thing out there, but hopefully we don't run into any nails either. So here we go. The big reveal. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, cutting this black walnut log here, and we ran into a big old nail. Very sad.
Remember, this is fun.
Right. That's why I was telling myself earlier today. Don't worry about it. Just have fun. We'll get done what we get done. And
I have a friend named Dan. He's a very faithful man. He's always saying, it's all good, it's all good. One time when we were talking about some bad news, I'm like, Dan, you always say it's all good. Well, it's all good unless it's no good. I think he said that maybe twice in the last 10 or so years I've known him. So it's all your attitude.
yeah. Slow it in, well.
Very last tree.
Oh. Might be the last. Here's the one nail hole. That's it. And we actually found a second nail.
Yeah.
Very sad. So what we ended up doing is, here's where that first big nail was. I think that might be the very end of it. I'm not sure if there's even any metal left in there, but what I ended up having to do is cut in from this end to the nail, and then we flipped the whole thing around end for end, which was, we only had 2 more cuts left. So I flipped it around and then cut the rest of the way with a new blade, or a sharper blade, all the way until here. And here's another spot where you can see that nail. And there's the top of it there. So, and then over here we ran into a smaller one, but ended up ruining about 4 blades, I think. But we got it done. Well, folks, that's going to be it for today. We got this walnut log slabbed up. I'm probably going to be selling it, or most of it, in my parents' auction. That'll be coming up in a few days. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Until next time, take care.